everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Vibes English, the place where we make mastering English feel like a catch-up with old friends. I'm Sarah, and sitting across from me, looking surprisingly bright-eyed, is Ali. Hi, Ali.
Hey, Sarah. Hello to all our amazing listeners out there. Honestly, I'm feeling incredible today. Just really energized.
I can tell. You've got this huge spark in your eyes today. What's the secret? Did you find a hidden treasure on the way to the studio?
Not quite. I just feel awake. You know those days where your brain just clicks into gear? That's me today.
That's the best feeling. I'm right there with you. It's such a beautiful day to dive into some English.
It really is. But wait, before we get into the heart of the conversation, we have a tiny favor to ask the people listening, right?
Oh, absolutely. If you're enjoying these chats and they're helping your English journey, please take a second to hit that like button.
Yeah, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Fluent Vibes. It honestly means the world to us. It helps us keep creating these episodes for you. Plus, if you have a friend who's also struggling with English, share this. Learning is way better when you do it together.
So true. Sharing really is caring. Anyway, Ali, since you're buzzing with all this energy, what's on your mind for today's topic?
Well, since I feel so good, I thought we should talk about why. Let's talk about healthy habits. Not the scary run a marathon kind, but the real life stuff.
I love that. Healthy habits aren't just about eating a salad once a week. It's those tiny, almost invisible things we do every single day that change how we feel.
Exactly. I think people get overwhelmed. They think being healthy is this massive, difficult mountain to climb, but it can actually be quite simple.
Spot on. Let's test your routine. Ali, what is the very first thing you do when you wake up?
Besides hitting the snooze button, I open my eyes and usually stumble toward the kitchen.
And do you go straight for the coffee?
Oh, 100%. I need that big, hot cup of coffee to even remember my own name.
I hear you. But here's a game changer, Ali. A tiny pro tip. Before that coffee touches your lips, drink a big glass of water.
Water, first thing? That sounds plain.
Think about it. Your body has been sleeping for 8 hours. It's thirsty. A big glass of water is like giving your internal organs a friendly good morning hug.
A good morning hug for my stomach. Okay, I can picture that. Does it have to be ice cold?
Not at all. Some people love warm water with a squeeze of lemon to wake up the digestion. Others like it cold. The temperature doesn't matter as much as just getting that hydration in.
Okay, water first, caffeine second. I can manage that. It's an easy win.
Perfect. Now let's move to the most important meal, breakfast. What's the Ali special?
Honestly, I'm usually running late, so I grab a piece of toast, or if I'm being bad, a chocolate cookie while I walk to the door.
Ah, Ali, a cookie for breakfast?
I know, it's terrible, right? But it's so fast.
It's fast, sure, but it's a trap. That sugar gives you a fake rush, and then an hour later you feel like you need a nap. You need power food.
Power food. That sounds like something a bodybuilder eats. Do I need to start eating raw steak?
No, nothing like that. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or even just some fruit with oats. These things release energy slowly. They keep your brain sharp for hours, not minutes.
I actually do love eggs, and I usually have bananas in the kitchen.
There you go. An egg and a banana. That is a superhero breakfast. Simple, cheap, and effective.
A superhero breakfast for a superhero in training. I'm going to try that tomorrow morning. No more cookies.
We'll see. Now let's talk about movement. Are you a gym rat, Ali?
Oh, definitely not. I hate the gym. It's too loud, it smells like old socks, and everyone is looking in the mirror. It's not for me.
I totally get it. A lot of people feel that way. But here's the secret. You don't need a gym membership to be active.
Really? So what am I supposed to do? Run around the block?
You can just walk. Walking is honestly one of the most underrated habits for your health.
Well, I walk to the bus stop every morning. Does that count as exercise?
It's a start, but you can add hidden exercise. For example, when you get to your office, do you take the elevator?
Every day. My office is on the 3rd floor. I'm not a mountain climber, Sarah.
It's only 3 floors. Here's the challenge.
Take the stairs instead.
3 floors of stairs? My legs are hurting just thinking about it.
It takes maybe 2 minutes, Allie, but those 2 minutes get your heart pumping and your blood flowing. It's like a mini workout without the gym clothes.
2 minutes. Okay, when you put it like that, it sounds doable. I'll try the stairs tomorrow.
That's the spirit. Remember, small steps lead to massive changes over time.
I love that phrase. Small steps lead to big changes. I need to write that down. But Sarah, what about the workday? I'm stuck at my desk for hours staring at a screen.
I'm the same. I sit there until my back feels like it's made of wood.
My neck is actually stiff right now. It's the worst part of the job.
Well, have you tried the stand-up habit?
The stand-up habit. Is that like stand-up comedy?
I wish. No, it just means every hour you stand up for 60 seconds. Stretch your arms, look out the window, and let your eyes rest.
Only 60 seconds? That's it?
That's it. It stops your muscles from locking up and gives your brain a reset.
I could actually set a timer on my phone for that. That's a brilliant tool for building habits. So let's see. Water, superhero breakfast, stairs, and stretching. I'm basically an athlete now.
You're on fire, but we have to talk about the afternoon slump. What do you do for lunch?
Usually I grab a quick sandwich and a soda from the shop downstairs.
Oh, the soda. That's the hidden enemy, Allie.
But it's cold and bubbly. It wakes me up.
For 10 minutes, but all that sugar is why you feel blah at 3 p.m.
Blah. That's a perfect word for it. I feel heavy, tired, and I just want to stare at a wall.
Exactly. That's the sugar crash. Try swapping the soda for sparkling water. You still get the bubbles, but none of the blah. And maybe add some color to that sandwich.
Color? Like food coloring?
No! Vegetables. Lettuce, red peppers, cucumbers. Try to make your plate look like a rainbow.
A rainbow plate. That sounds much more appetizing than a gray sandwich. I like that.
It makes a huge difference. And what about when you get hungry between meals?
That's my weakness. I usually find a bag of chips or some chocolate.
Try nuts instead, almonds or walnuts. They're like brain fuel.
I do like almonds. Are they really that good for you?
They're amazing. They have healthy fats that actually help you focus.
My brain definitely needs the help. Okay, I'll keep a jar of almonds on my desk.
Great idea. Now let's talk about the end of the day. This is where most people fail. What's your wind-down routine?
I usually collapse on the sofa, turn on the TV, and scroll through social media on my phone for, well, way too long.
The phone. That's the big one. We're all guilty of it.
Is it really that bad to look at my phone before bed?
It is. That blue light from the screen tricks your brain. It tells your body, hey, the sun is up, stay awake.
Wow. So that's why I'm lying in bed at midnight with my eyes wide open.
Exactly. Your brain is confused. Try to put the phone in another room or at least across the room 1 hour before you want to sleep.
An entire hour? Sarah, what am I supposed to do for 60 minutes without the internet?
Softly, you could read a book or listen to some calm music or just talk to someone.
I actually have a pile of books I bought months ago and haven't touched. Maybe it's time to actually open one.
Reading calms the nervous system. It prepares you for deep sleep. And when you sleep deeply, you wake up feeling like a new person.
I would love to wake up feeling like a new person. Usually I wake up feeling like a tired old version of myself.
Sleep is the foundation of everything. But I have one more habit for you. This one isn't for your body, it's for your heart.
Oh, tell me.
Every night, think of 3 specific things you are grateful for.
Grateful? You mean things I'm happy about?
Yes, it could be big, like a promotion, or tiny, like a really good cup of tea, or even just being thankful for a good friend.
Well, I'm definitely thankful for you, Sarah. You've given me a lot to think about today.
See, you're doing it already. That feeling of gratitude actually lowers stress. It's a healthy habit for your mind.
We've covered a lot today. It's actually quite a list.
It is, but remember, you don't have to do it all at once. It's not about being perfect.
Right. It's about the small choices. Water instead of soda. Stairs instead of the lift. A book instead of a screen.
I'm feeling so motivated just talking about it. I think I'm gonna go stand up and stretch right now.
Look at you, setting the example. That only took a second, didn't it?
It did, and I already feel better. You're a great student, Ollie. You're taking this all in.
I'm trying. I'm definitely not perfect. Some days I'll still want that cookie.
And that is perfectly fine. Aim for 80% healthy and 20% cookies. Balance is a habit too.
I like that plan. 80-20. Well, Sarah, before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap for everyone listening.
Good idea. Let's look back. First, the morning.
Right. Big glass of water before the coffee. Give the body a hug. Then the superhero breakfast. Eggs and fruit instead of sugary snacks.
Then movement during the day.
The stairs. 3 floors for the heart. And standing up every hour to keep the blood moving.
And lunch?
The rainbow plate. Lots of veggies and swiping the soda for sparkling water. Oh, and the almonds for my brain.
And finally, the night.
No phones an hour before bed. Reading a book for that deep sleep. And finishing the day with 3 things I'm thankful for.
You nailed it, Ollie. I'm so proud of how much you've learned today.
Thanks, Sarah. These tips are so simple. I feel like I can actually do them.
I think our listeners can too. And remember, when your body feels good, your brain learns English much faster. A happy brain is a learning brain.
That is a great point. Well, that's our time for today. We hope this conversation gives you a little boost.
We really do. Thank you for spending your time with us. But before we go, we want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what is one healthy habit you already have? Or which one of these tips are you going to try tomorrow?
Please write your answer in English. It's such a great way to practice. And if you found this helpful, please share this episode with just one person today.
Spread the health, spread the English. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. It was great talking with you, Sarah. I'm going to go drink some water now.
Me too. Have a healthy, happy day, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you in the next one.